While this video may not resonate with everyone, those who do tune in and actively apply the advice shared within could see transformative benefits in their careers and lives. Part 2.
Do you need an academic degree to get hired for a cloud computing job?
Good question. You may think that you need an academic degree to land such a job, but that piece of paper is not a barrier when it comes to landing a lucrative role in cloud computing. Many employers care more about hands-on skills and credentials than academics. You don't need a computer science degree to enter this field. In fact, I've seen numerous cloud architects on LinkedIn with no formal college education. However, they do possess relevant certifications from leading providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. That practical knowledge is what companies want to see, and you can build that through self-study, online courses, and certification training. In fact, recruiters or headhunters often ask if you are certified in cloud technologies, but almost never inquire about academic degrees.